Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the basic assembly of a standard TRA 20 circumferential piston pump, part of Viking Pump's Hygienic line. As always, read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure all maintenance steps are completed. The following tools are required: a socket set, torque wrench, a plastic dowel or other non-metallic material, Allen wrench, and P80 lubricant. Each Viking Pump service kit contains all required spare parts. First, slide the pump body over the shafts and studs, taking care not to damage the seals. Position the pump body against the corresponding pins of the gear case, pressing firmly. Fit the retaining screws of the pump body and tighten them according to the recommended torque value. Using the lubricant included in the kit or another compatible lubricant, lightly lubricate the O-rings of the rotor hub and fit them into the groove of the rotors. Be careful not to pinch or twist the O-rings. Slide the rotors onto the shafts and rotate to line up the keyways. Make sure to return each rotor to its original position. Next, fit the keys. Insert the rounded end of the key into the keyway. Next, install the washer into the rotor nut with the cone of the washer pointing towards the nut. The correct orientation of the washer is critical to maintaining the recommended torque value of the rotor nut. Lightly lubricate the retaining O-ring and fit it onto the rotor nut to keep the washer in place. The washer should not be fitted tightly against the O-ring. Again, be careful not to pinch or twist the O-rings. Next, lightly lubricate the O-rings of the rotor nut and fit them onto the nut. Apply a suitable food-grade anti-seize compound to the threads on both shafts and then thread the rotor nut assemblies onto the shafts. Insert a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material into the pump body to prevent the rotors from turning. Using a torque wrench, tighten the rotor nuts to the recommended torque value. This can be found in the instruction manual. Check that all clearances meet specifications, as shown in the rotor clearance table in the instruction manual. Lightly lubricate the pump cover O-ring and fit the O-ring into the groove of the pump cover. Next, fit the pump cover onto the pump body, using the dowel pins as guides to align the cover properly. Finally, install the pump cover nuts and tighten them in a star pattern to the recommended torque value. For pump lubrication, Viking TRA 20 circumferential piston pumps are supplied from the factory, already filled with lubricants. Please refer to the instruction manual for proper lubrication and greasing procedures. Your Viking TRA 20 pump is now ready to be put back into service. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.